Hello everyone, welcome to the website Education Investment. Today in this video, let's talk about the 1754 factory in Centrifuge as a pool in Tinlake. Why there's a proposal in the forum they want to discuss to propose legal review and report. What happened? The NLL, while at Polkadot, NLL implemented the initial high-profile RWA financings in the DeFi space. So they made a proposal. Why they made the proposal? We can check the Tinlake about this pool. The APY you can check, especially the junior, is negative because it's overdue for quite a while. And so the pool itself, we can take a look at that on the forum. It is about the cash advances. The Blin is a mobile app for French consumers that offers a cash advance system up to 100. And this 1754 Factory LLC is going to launch Blin series, and what they are going to do is to buy Blin bonds. And so these Blin bonds, they do have some rewards, and if you keep going, you will see that. So it says that the 1754 factory will buy Blin bonds that are sold at 10,000. And it also says the API is 75% and the bond has 8% coupon rate that is paid quarterly. And so from this description, looks like that's a good deal, right? With very high APR, and then a lot of people, they are interested in this business, and so they make the investment, and they contribute to the pool, and there are a lot of discussions for this pool. So we just quickly go over some of them. For example, some consumers, some investors, they complains, and the Fab is founder and replied to the complaint saying the update, there are 8 assets are late due to something, and then it's kind of a detailed update. I'm not going to go over each of them, but you can see that the Fab keep updates every a while and talk about the late assets repayment, and also some redemptions. And still there are more complaints from the user, because the one of the user here said it's not 1 to 5 assets were delayed, but with 16 assets delayed, and some of them even over 200 days. And so obviously there's a concern and there's an issue for this pool. And just few days ago, there are also investors ask about what happened. So that's how this discussion and proposal starts. They want to do a thorough investigation. So we'll review the 1754 factory non-portfolio to ensure its compliance with covenants, agreements, and terms of the Centrifuge agreements, and we'll also prepare a report to be published on the Centrifuge forum, and we'll hold a public office hour to discuss its findings and recommendations. So I personally feel this would be a cool idea. They propose a flat fee of DAI 25,000 or USDC for this work. And I would be happy to see the investors of those pool. They should definitely check this proposal and leave the comments if you like it or not. I will post a link so you can check that. By the way, there is a updating Tinlake Rewards proposal now is also on the Subsquare. All of you can vote, agree, aye, or reject. So it's very easy. Just connect to your wallet. If you do hold any CFG, then you can basically vote with your CFG. So this is just a proposal that all of you can check the referendum, sorry. And so that's all for today's video. How did you feel about the 1754 factory pool, and also how did you feel about this referendum? Leave me a comment, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss any future videos, and I would be happy to see you next time. Goodbye.